Good evening all. Today we are going to discuss data structure using C++ module 5. In this module we are going to discuss about priority queues, linear lists, heaps and heap applications as heap sorting. First we are going to talk about priority queue and how it is different from the queue. Priority queue is more specialized data structure than queue. Like ordinary queue, priority queue has some method as in queue, but in priority queue items are ordered by key value, so that item with the lowest value of key is at front and item with the highest value of the key is at the rear end or vice versa. So we are assigned priority to item based on its key value. Lower the value, higher the priority, and following are the principal method of a priority queue. Basic operations. First you see on the figure the queue is defined, rear end and front end very clearly mentioned there. The insert and unqueue, the operation where add an item to the rear of the queue, and remove or dequeue, remove an item from the front of the queue as defined in the figure. Priority queue representation. We are going to implement queue using array data structure. As we know, data structure is nothing but linear data structure. Here we are going to use peek, get the element in front of the queue, whether the array or data structure queue is full, check it if the queue is full, or it is empty. All three functions can return the as per the accordingly their respective messages and can be utilized in the program. Insert and queue operation. Whenever an queue is inserted into the queue, priority queue insert the item according to its order. Here we are assuming that data with the high value has low priority. Insert and queue operations of priority queue. The functions is defined as below. The void insert integer data. First we are checking whether the data structure is empty. Then we are checking what is the count of the data. Start from the right end of the queue. And then we are checking with the, if the data is larger, shift existing item to the right end. And then we are making at last insert the data and we are incremented by 1. Keep doing until all the count is over. Remove and dequeue of the priority queue. Whenever an element is to be removed from the queue front end, queue get the element using item count. Once element is removed, then item count is reduced by 1 as it is being given in the picture. You can see in the front end, this is one item, third is being removed from the front end. One item removed from the front. Queue linear list array representation. We can look at the figure where root index 1 like 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 0, 1. These are the nodes, roots and parents and their grandson. Suppose there are n jobs in the queue to be done and each job has its own priority. The job with the maximum priority will get completed first than others. So at each instant we have to check for the job with maximum priority to complete it and also insert it there is a new job. This talk can be very easily executed using a heap by considering n equal to 7 job as n equal to 7 nodes of the tree. As you can see in the diagram below, we can use an array to store the nodes of the tree. Let's say we have 7 elements with values 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 0, 1, as I have told before also. Note, if we are sorting one element in index I in array AR, then its parent will be stored at index I by 2 unless it's a root, as roots has no parent and can be accessed by array I by 2. Its left child can be accessed by array 2 star I, and its right child can be accessed by array 2 star I plus 1. Index of the root will be 1 in an array. Heap data structure. A heap is a specific tree-based data structure in which all the nodes of tree are in a specific order. Let's say if x is a parent node of y, then the value of x follows some specific order with respect to value of y, and the same order will be followed across the tree. That is called heap data structure. The maximum number of children of a node in the heap depends on the type of heap. However, in the more commonly used heap type, there are at most 2 children of a node, and it's known as binary heap. The binary heap is nothing but the heap is a complete binary tree with n nodes, and then it has the smallest possible height, which is log to n, capital N. In the diagram below, you can observe clearly the particular sequence. Each node is greater value than any of its children. At each instant, we are completing a job with maximum priority, and at the same time, we are also interested in inserting a new job in the queue with its own priority. You can observe the particular sequence. Each node has greater value than any of its children. Maximum heap. There are 2 types of heap. One is maximum heap and minimum heap. First, we are going to discuss maximum heap. In this type of heap, the value of parent node will always be greater than or equal to the value of child node across the tree, and the node with the highest value will be root node of the tree. As it is being given down, as 8 is greater than 4, then 8 is swapped with 4, and maximum heapify, the function which is described in next slide, is performed again in 4, but on different position. Now in step 2, 6 is greater than 4, so 4 is swapped with 6, and we will get a maximum heap, as now 4 is leaf node. So further call to maximum heapify function will not create any effect on heap. The function for maximum heap is given on next slide by name using max heapify. Before moving ahead, let's observe a property with this that states an element is stored in an array has leaves indexed by n divided by 2 plus 1, comma add divided by 2 plus 2, so on up to n. Let's take away example of 7 elements having values 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 5, which is clearly mentioned in step 1, step 2, and finally we are getting heap maximum structure. Maximum heap, you can see the function will implement a function that can maintain the property of max heap. Each element value should be greater than or equal to any of its child and smaller than or equal to its parent. This is very clearly written there, program. You can go through. If the left equal to 2 star I, that is left child, or it will be a right child equal to plus 1. And then we are checking in left child is less than equal to 1, and array left greater than array I. then left value we are moving to longest. Again we are checking largest equal to I. If the right is smaller equal to n and array right greater than array and largest, then right we are making the largest. This way we are making the things and the complete swapping of the tree. Minimum heap data structure array representation. As we have seen in maximum heap, we are making the values moving from left or right to maximum. Here will be moving left or right values to the smallest, and this is the way only difference in this program from the maximum structure data of heap. Minimum heap, you can see very clearly it is given how it is swapping 1 and 4. Then at last it is given swapping at the last. Minimum heap structure is shown in figure. Heap sorting. In this we can use heap in sorting the element in specific order in efficient time. Let's say we want to sort element of array in ascending order. We can use maximum heap function to perform this operation. This is the idea of sorting. How we have to do process? Initially we will build a maximum heap of the element in array. Now the root element, that is array 1, contains maximum element of array. After that we will exchange this element with the last element of the array and will again build a maximum heap excluding the last element which is already in its correct position, and will decrease the length of the heap by 1, and this will repeat the step 2 until we get all the element in this correct position, and we'll get the sorted array. Heap sorting function is defined down. Suppose there are n elements sorted in array ARR. We have to write void heap sorting function in which is being stored in array. Here we are making heap size equal to n, building maximum heap array for integer I equal to n, I greater than equal to 2, or we are reducing by 1, and swapping array I to 1. This way we are taking away 1 heap size by 1, and this is the things of sorting. We are completing our entire sorting of the array elements and its value by using maximum heap data structure function. It is being clearly mentioned there. We have array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position. We have the element is stored having 6 element which is given down. Initial element and maximum heap element figure is shown very clearly down. What is building maximum heap element in the array? Array will be, final array will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Array position, it will be stored 8, 4, 7, 1, 3, 5. 1 position will be less than the initial value. How we are going to do this is step 1, 8 will swap with 5, and step 2, 8 is disconnected from heap as 8 is in correct position now, and that can be repeated till step 10, 3 is disconnected, and this is shown in the figure heap sorting demonstration. It clearly mentions how we are doing from step 1 to step 2, and there 8 is left out. Step 3, again we are swapping. Step 4, 7 and 8 are 7 also again swapped, left out. And then we go to step 6. 5 is left out. We are keep using our maximum heap functions until end. This will be step 10, which will be repeated 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. This is the structure of heap sorting ascending order. Thank you very much.